my name is River and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be opening another Tales of Toria bath bomb order. If you've watched my channel before, you know that I have done a couple of these before. I absolutely adore their products. Ugh. Ooh, I can see the pink fluffy stuff on top already. Oh my god, it smells so good. So, on the very top, we can see pink floof! Oh my god, the smell is incredible. As always, there is a little business card with all their bits and bobs and details. They're also so sweet, they've included a little tea bag. The orders always also include loads of super cute confetti! Oh, I've just noticed as well there's little heart-shaped ones this time. So cute! Underneath all the fun confetti pieces, oh my god, there's so many! We have our first bath bomb, which is Simply Meant to Be. Let's have a little look. It's the Nightmare Before Christmas one with Jack and Sally on the like little spirally mountain thing. That's so cute! Alright, we gotta have a little sniff. Ooh. Can I get in? Ah! Ooh, okay, I've made a hole. Ooh! Ah, this smells really good. It smells like sweets. It's really nice. Love that. I'm super excited for that one. Next we have, ooh, which Hogwarts house do you belong to? So this says, drop this bath bomb in your bath to find out. That's fun. Ooh. Ah. And on the back of the card, you can see here, it says each different one, Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, and Slytherin. And it has little information about each house as well. So that'll be fun. Let's open the sorting bath bomb. Which looks like this. It has a sorting hat on the front. Really cute. Now can I have a sniff? Ooh! Ooh! Again, really sweet, kind of marshmallowy. Oh, that's really good. I can't quite place that smell. It's really like a nostalgic smell. I like. Next one. Ooh, the Patronus bath bomb. Oh my god, confetti's just falling everywhere. Woo! Ooh, I can smell it already. Cute. It's got a little shape. I think that's supposed to be a kitty. That's cute. Let me get a good smell of you. Oh, yep. Okay. Oh yeah, that is what I smelled. This one is kind of more fresh and clean. But still like a bit of sweetness to it. So far I really like all of these. Oh, and the next one is, oh my god, the confetti. Miko! The Miko one, which I'm pretty sure is the little raccoon from Pocahontas. Yes! So cute. And the colors are amazing, like the pink and purple and everything. So cute. Alright, let me in. Let's make a little hole. This one's kind of like bubblegum with like some fruit notes in there. Really good. I love that one. Next one. Lost Princess. Crack open the Lost Princess. Ooh, which is the Tangled Rapunzel one. So we've got the like kingdom emblem shape. And then we've got the yellow and the purple, which matches her character colors. Not quite what I was expecting it to smell like. It's almost kind of manly. Kind of like aftershave-y almost. It's nice, but I might give this one to my partner. Next one is Lotso Lotso Hugs. So Lotso is the big pink bear from Toy Story. Yes, so cute. Oh, I love their like little spray paint stencil designs. It's so cute. And this pink is amazing. Ooh. It smells just like strawberries. It reminds me of this, when I was younger we had this VHS case of Strawberry Shortcake, the animated show. And it was scented in pink and it reminds me of that. The next one. Ooh, Snow Queen. Pop this one open. Yay! This one is Elsa. So cute. We got the blue and the white. Oh, there's a hole there. I'm just gonna make it a little bigger so I can get a good smell. Ooh. This one is a very wintry scent. Like a little, almost like a teeny bit of mint in there. Very fresh and wintry. I love that. So cute. I love frozen. So that is all of the bath bombs that I got this time. They've honestly already made this whole room smell amazing. And that is everything for the bath bomb. But there is one more exciting thing that I want to share with you. Yours truly is going to be streaming on Twitch. I'm going to be streaming things like Animal Crossing, Stardew Valley, loads of Nintendo games because I am a Nintendo Switch crazy person. So you can find me here. I will be streaming very soon. I haven't had any streams yet, but very shortly. You can pre-follow if you want, so you can see those videos when they come up, or you can just give it a little sneak, a little checkout if you want to. Either way, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye!